What up, YouTube? I'm going to show you a quick overview and review of this OGIO Layover bag. It's the perfect carry-on bag to take with you as carry-on luggage if you're flying, or if you just kind of want to pack light. You're going to be gone for, you know, a weekend, 3, 4, 5 days maybe. This bag has some really awesome features that I'm about to show you. I really like this color scheme. They got other color schemes too. First of all, it's got the flag on there. It's Velcro, so you can take it off and put on another patch if you want to. That comes off. It's got wheels. It's got really nice wheels. I love OGIO's. Their bags are awesome. They're kind of expensive, to be honest, but they're worth it. They're super good quality. The handle can click and go up, you know, like this, a little less than waist high, and I'm pretty tall. Click one more, fully extended, comes up past my waist, and I'm like 6'2". It's got like really nice like skateboard type wheels on there that definitely aren't gonna bust off or anything. They're super nice. It's got, you know, nice padding on there for, you know, when you're throwing it around in and out of cars and stuff like that. It's got this little deal right there that this is for your information, so you can, underneath there, you can put your business card in there. So let's see the pockets that it's got on the front. I still got some stuff in here apparently. So in the front, it's got a deep pocket. Doesn't go all the way down though. Then it's got this other little pocket here. This is good to put maybe like your boarding information, your phone, chargers, stuff you got to get to quick. It's got another pocket down here on the outside, and then it even has another pocket on the outside, so you don't have to carry like a backpack or anything. This one's, you know, pretty deep. You put quite a bit of stuff in there. And now let's get to the inside. And this bag does something super awesome that I'm about to show you here in a second. Actually, at the end, I'll save the best for last. And if you guys want to get this bag or a similar style that's a different color scheme, if you go to the description linked up below, I got the cheapest place to get an authentic OGIO bag that is just like this, that's the best price. This one's been used a little bit, so I always like to use the stuff before I do a review on it. You know, I'm just not going to do an unboxing and then it's like, oh, it looks great, and then, you know, a couple trips later it's busted. So you got this storage up here, which is good. You can put a pair of shoes in there, or like your toothpaste and shampoo or whatever, or socks and underwear. It's got 2 different compartments. You can put like one pair of like pretty big, you know, like men's size shoes in this one, so that's really cool. Then it's got luggage straps, so you can, you know, fold up your stuff if you got quite a bit, and then really strap it down good. The liner, hang on, this unzips to clean it out or whatever. Or, you know, if you're out and about, you know, you're on the road and you want to, you know, pick up 2, 4, maybe 5 bricks, and then for the way back, so you can make it, we'll close it and I'll show you the coolest thing this thing does. So if you're want to take it as a carry-on, that's the way it's set up for right now, so you can get it on the plane. You unzip this zipper right here. Now watch what it does. It extends. See that? See all that extra room? Look at that. So you can still take it as a carry-on. If you know, you got some extra cargo then on your way back, or if you know you're traveling in the car or whatever, unzip that. You get about 2.5, 3 inches more of storage. And if you want to use it as a carry-on, and you know how that's how they make a lot of their money these days at airports, they're really strict about it. You zip this up, and then you can use it as a carry-on. See that? And then this is the zipper right here that you use to get in the bag. So there's two. There's that zipper that extends it, and then there's that one to get into the bag. So yeah, super dope bag. I'll show you one more thing that's really nice about this. So we talked about how it's got the thing for the rollers. Also, got a super nice handle on the top. And then it's even got a handle on the side, which is nice, you know, if you're, you know, lugging it around or throwing it in the car or whatever. And they're all really good quality. So, as you can see, I've been in Denver, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Linked up in the description below how you can get this OGIO bag. I've been super happy with it. Got a lot of good use out of it. I got 2, 4, maybe 5 other OGIO bags also that I've had for even longer. And I'm just really happy with OGIO, man. They make a really good product. You know, they are kind of expensive, but they do last and they are good quality. So, you know, you get what you pay for. Like I said, linked up in the description below, we can get one just like this or a different color for the cheapest price on the web. You know I'm always looking out for you, because every day we taking it. Every day we taking it. Please subscribe, 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 subscribe. Peace.